Welcome back. In today's in today's lesson, we're going to learn how to fetch the current page's URL in JavaScript. This is useful in many situations, like tracking page visits, analytics, or routing behavior. Best part, it only takes one simple line of code. Let's dive in and see how it works. Whenever you need to get the full address of the web page a user is currently on, JavaScript has your back. We'll use the window location href property to access that URL. Let's look at the code next. This function uses the window location href property, which returns the entire URL of the current page. We wrap it inside an arrow function for reusability. When we log the result, it prints the exact URL string in the console. The key part is the window location object, which holds all URL related data. The href property gives us the complete URL as a string. It works consistently across modern browsers. Let's walk through a few more practical examples. No matter what kind of page you're on, production, dev, localhost, this method accurately reflects the full address, whether it has search parameters, hash fragments, or subpaths. Href captures it all. It is a great way to always know where your script is running. From tracking user visits to controlling how your app behaves on different URLs. This simple tool comes in handy in countless front-end tasks. It is also crucial in single-page apps where route changes do not reload the page. And that wraps up today's lesson. Whether you're building a router or just debugging where your app is, retrieving the current URL is a must-have tool in your JavaScript toolkit. Thanks for tuning in, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.